What is this? I'm talking to you. What is this? Is this meant to scare me or what? You know I can actually have you fired.
The letter you're holding is not a joke.
Are you for real? I'm talking to you. You know you need this job.
I'm tired.
You're tired.
I need my life and dignity. More importantly, I'm tired. Of your insult and disrespect, I'm tired.
So what are you going to be doing now that you've quit? Can't you talk?
I'm going to live my life in peace without you in my space. That's what I'm going to be doing. All accounts balanced. All right, make sure that we don't have errors. We approach them with our best foot forward. One more thing I'd like for you to schedule a meeting for.
You? Get out. Are you deaf?
Hey,
get out.
You can't ask her to leave. She's my sales rep. We're working here.
I do not care who she is. I just said she should get out.
Idea. It's okay. Babe, what are you doing? You can't just barge into my office, babe, and ask my sales rep to leave. We're working here.
Did you just say your office? I put you here, remember?
Yeah, I remember. Because you did not fail to remind me every other day that I work for you. But you and I have a relationship. Outside of work, we have a romantic relationship. And as such, I deserve the respect I should get from you as your man. What you did was wrong.
Relationship or not, do not forget your place in all of this. Meet me at home after work.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Yes, Billy, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, make our own food, make it chop.
Oh, no, I'm okay. Just want to have a warm bath and rest.
Okay, sir. Okay, Madam Carissa, she come here today.
Okay. And when she came here, what happened?
Nothing, no. When she come, I call her and slam me. She don't see me.
I don't really care. Listen, I just want to rest, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, thank you.
You to meet me at home after work. What happened?
Well, I got busy after work with something.
Something more important than me?
That's not what I have said.
You seem to always forget where you came from. I made you who you are. Until you attend to me, everything else must wait. I made you who you are. The very least you can do is respect me.
Carissa, my hard work, my qualification, my focus, consistency made me who I am today, not you. You may have put me in a position where I blossomed, and that is because I am qualified to occupy that position. You have nothing to do with my level of focus and consistency. Listen, it is safe to say that my relationship with your company has been mutually beneficial, because I have given my best to that job. I don't like how you talk to me. You've been good to me, yes. But you and I have a relationship here. So aside working for your family's company, I am the man in this relationship. And you must learn to treat me like the man in the relationship.
Treat you like a man in this relationship? Where were your skills and hard work when you were jobless and penniless? Or where was your qualification when you were homeless and roaming the streets? Where was the man in you when you begged me on your knees to give you a chance to prove yourself? I picked you up and I made you who you are.
I guess we'll have to glorify you for that now.
You know I can get you fired at will.
No, you cannot. Because you know that the company needs me as much as I need the job.
Well, don't get too comforting.
Carissa, if you cannot find it in you to respect me and treat me like the man in this relationship, then you and I should put an end to this thing.
The next time you talk back at me like this, prepare your resignation letter.
Next week. What time? 9 a.m. Right? Hey, you. I got you. It's okay.
What do you want?
Hey, take it easy now. Eh? I'm tired of fighting, please.
Oh, now you've come back to your senses.
I'm just tired of fighting. Please. Carissa, I love you. Okay, and I see the things that you do for me. And I do not take them for granted. Never have and never will. Okay, please. I'm sorry.
You sure know how to make me feel weird.
What?
Yeah.
You know where I work, but you know I can come by your place after work and just finish what I have started.
I can't wait.
I'll see you then.
All right.
Babe, yeah. Is my brother around?
Who was that guy in the car?
The guy. Oh, that guy. That was my classmate. I bumped into him and he decided to give me a ride home.
Drop you home as what? So now you see another man?
Babe, it's just an armless ride, nothing else.
Oh, now you enter cars, right? After all that I've done for you and still do for you. You're just unbelievable. I said just shut up!
Hey, wait. Would you leave my sister alone now?
Jason, stop.
Sister, no.
Just stop.
No, now, stop what now? Did you see what this guy was doing to you? He would have killed you if I didn't come in now.
Wait. I take up all your responsibility. And all you do is to lay your filthy hands. Stand here and fight me, right?
Who do you think you are? Huh? Remind me again, who do you think you are to lay your hands on my sister?
Okay. I know a better way to make you guys learn.
Get out! Sister,
Just
see.
what's your
Sister,
problem
no,
now?
don't tell me this now. You have to put an end to this thing now.
What's all this now, JC? What is this? Why are you like this now?
Sister, you have to stop making excuses for this guy now. He cannot come here every time and embarrass you like this. Why?
The same guy that is taking care of us. What are you even saying? Eh? The same guy that is paying your culinary fee. Is that what you want? God, see, I'm tired. I don't want all these things. This guy has been the one supporting us, paying our house rent and all that. Why are you doing this now?
Sister, that does not matter. Your life is more important to me than anything else we get from this guy. This guy's a yellow demon.
You just have to take it easy now. Don't get him upset. Eh? You know he's the one paying for this house. He's the one paying everything. Please, I don't want trouble. Just go to your room, please. I beg. Just go
Sister,
back.
as far as I'm alive, yeah? I'm not going to sit in this house and watch somebody embarrass you. There's one thing you have to do for me now. I use God in heaven to beg you. Sister, leave this guy alone. Next time, what I will do, you will not like it. I'm telling you. When I start my madness now, you say Jason, I've started. I see. Okay.
What kind of rubbish is this one now? Eh?
Hey, babe.
Yeah, babe.
I need you to go get me lunch and some fruit juice at our favorite spot.
Where is your assistant?
Oh, my assistant. She's busy doing some work for me.
And get off that work now. Let her go get you lunch. It's her job to get you lunch and not me.
I am aware that my assistant is over there and it's her job. But I want you to go and you will stand up there and go get me lunch.
It is not in my place to do so, sweetheart.
I am talking to you as your boss. Must we always fight? Please, I just want you to go help me get lunch, please.
Babe, I understand that I'm an employee of this establishment. But remember also that I do not work for you directly. So it's not in your place to toss me around. I don't take orders from you. What you have asked is not just inappropriate, but very disrespectful. Please.
Hey. Sorry, please, sorry.
Hi.
Yeah. I barely noticed you around there.
Maybe I don't want to give my attention out.
Wow, I'm your neighbor. I stay around there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my name is Sunday.
Oh, Sunday, hi. My name is Charity.
I know yours already. Yeah. So,
Sunday, I will catch you later, okay? Just...
no problem, no problem. I stay around.
It's just a friendly neighbor, nothing else.
Just a friendly neighbor. See the way he was grabbing your arms?
No, that was for a handshake. He just stretched out his hand for me to shake him. Nothing, we're just talking.
Whatever you call it, I hope you just remain like that. Your friendly neighbor, whatever you say. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Come on, how are you doing like that? I miss you, right?
Stop now. My brother is around. Can you stop? You can just walk in at any time.
Your brother is in this room. Let's do it here.
No, we can't do it here now.
promise.
I never promised you that.
Come on, babe.
Let's
Come
just
on.
go. Can you stop, please? Please stop. My brother is going to come and...
And you? You said many times that. Look at the thing you put on. If you any beast, if you see a human being that is handsome.
Madam!
Good afternoon.
What are you doing seated watching TV? Where is your boss?
My Oga never come back from work.
And what the hell are you putting on? Are you deaf or something? How many times have I warned you to stop wearing something short?
I'm so sorry, ma.
You know what? I'm going to make it very clear to you. Go inside your room, pick your things and leave this house this minute. Get out!
I go change the ma, please. I go
Are you deaf? And drop those keys right now.
So,
What's going on?
Ask her to leave.
What do you mean you asked her to leave? What are you talking about?
I sacked her.
You sacked her? Why? What are you saying? You didn't hire her. Why would you sack her?
I don't understand. Is she so important to you? What personal business do you have with her? I came in here, I met her seated here watching TV while there are so many works to do. And then I saw her wearing something very short, and I have warned her several times to stop wearing something short. I don't understand you. Is it actually for your satisfaction or what?
Slow down. Carissa, slow down.
That's why you're not complaining.
Slow down, Carissa. You have to be mindful of the things you say to me. Stop it. When you think that I spend my time looking at her and what she wears, if you feel that she's dressed inappropriately, guide her, tell her how to dress. Why are you her superior? You need to take it easy. You need to slow down and take things easy.
I should guide her.
Yes.
Didn't you hear me when I said I've warned her several times to stop wearing something short?
And you keep trying.
Can't you talk? Are you not her boss?
Sick.
Anyway, that's enough. She's gone. We don't need to worry about her. How was work?
Now you fired her. Who's going to do the things around this house?
You hire someone else. This time, a male person.
You've got to be kidding me.
Do I
Why
look
would
like...
you get a guy? I need someone to cook.
And who said men don't cook? You just need to place your specification right. See, enough of all this talk. Meet me in the room. I'm tired of all this questioning and plenty talks.
Who is this?
Look at you, working like the latest chef in town.
Not like the latest. You say working as the latest.
Hey, congratulations, my brother! Congratulations,
See,
love.
They've not seen anything.
At all.
Now it's time for me to go into the world and show them what my hands can do.
Of course.
Tell them say area boy don't become armor boy.
Boy, no go finish me.
Yes, now go fry your destiny.
Now your destiny you go fry. Which type of won't talk down?
You know the skills I don't acquire like this.
Now you want to take fry my destiny.
See me, I don't even they come but I enjoy.
No, if you comb your nose, tie your nose, you comb and brush and well. No, don't cut your coat down. Yeah.
Sister, something has bothering me. I said I should come and talk to you again about it.
Talk to me. What is it?
For me, I still maintain that you leave this boy alone.
But Jason, you know I cannot leave him. You know. And you know the reason why I'm doing all this. You know. Eh? He's supporting us financially now. I can't just leave him. At least let's wait for you to start up something. Maybe your food business or anything. Something to just bring money home. But for now, I cannot leave him. We need his money.
Sister, no. Now is the time for you to leave him.
Now is not the time. When the time is right, I know when to leave.
Wait, you cannot continue like this just because you want to provide for me or provide for us. It does not work. Huh? This guy is bad for you. He's toxic. You know if he continue to live life like this just because okay, waiting we go do. Now, at least I don't get small skill. Oh. I could go out there, I could start to hustle.
You get money. You get skills, you get money. Eh? No, you don't get. So relax.
Sister, I don't get money today, no say I don't go get tomorrow.
Of course, you will get tomorrow, but now when they talk, you don't get them.
The tomorrow starts from tomorrow.
Until then, because it's not for the small business, the small salary that they pay me, now I won't take the feed us. How much you think they do? How much I won't take parents?
Sister, I go feed you.
Feed me now if you fit. See you, I go feed you. person wey still now go think say they make sense.
You dey look me less, oh. You know me say I no get now, I no go get for life.
You go get for life, that one day for sure. But
And
for
the
now,
life now from tomorrow, I dey start hustle.
okay, when you start, I promise you I go stop. I go leave am.
Now your stop go motivate me to start.
You never ready. Because when you ready, I go know. Drop another one, I give you.
So for your mind now,
I dey learn from the baddest.
Okay. You learn from me.
Now
you say you
know.
learn from me.
Now you be the baddest now. Who I want
Oh,
to
you
learn
have to
from
leave me,
again?
Leave jokes aside.
I will. Don't worry. I
Leave
will.
jokes aside.
I
I dey
will.
come make I go do 1 or 2 things now.
All right now.
As
Take
the
care.
test chef, make I go plan how to fry your
Oh, yeah,
destiny.
no. You go fry your own destiny too.
And who is calling you?
It's just a colleague of mine.
Take it.
Babe, I don't want to take it.
Just take it and put it on speaker.
Hello?
Give me this phone! What the fuck is that? Huh? You know what? I'm going to change your SIM card. Just your colleague. You know I'm doing all this because I love you, right? Charity, listen. I love you so much. And I don't want these useless guys to just deceive you. I don't. Alright. I got you a new SIM. A new number, totally different from what you're using. Okay?
Thank you.
Just put it in your phone and you have a new number entirely. So I hope I'll not be receiving calls like that now. Are we good?
Yes. Thank you.
My lovely sister, how are you?
I'm good, as you can see.
See your skin. God, oh, nobody go even know say we dey suffer. Now wow.
Oh, stop now. Ah.
Well, I won't come out though. I won't go come out. I won't go see what I go fit do with my guys now. Make I keep myself busy.
Relax for house. Stay house, eh?
No, this is the same thing you tell me every time. No, I have to just get my hands busy. Make I walk. I'm a man. Let me get something to do with myself now. Eh?
No problem, if you insist. You know what? Give me your phone. Let me type my new number.
I don't understand. What happened to your previous number when I get? Don't tell me say now what I dey think. Oh.
Yes. He broke my SIM and got me another one.
Sister, this is the 3rd time in 3 months that this guy is breaking your SIM and getting you a new one, and you are comfortable with what he's doing. This way you go allow make I carry my guys go beat for house. Now
Oh God. I know say be Agbero we go school, we dedicated, but calm down.
But did you tell him that you have a brother that is nuts? Why is he treating you like this now? This thing is not fair now.
You go give me your number, your phone, abi you no go give me.
I know they give you.
Yeah, go
do
now.
right.
All right now.
Since
When
you
they
don't
call
want
me, you
leave
no go fit reach me. Oh. Now you
wahala.
sabi. Come back on time, oh.
Now you sabi.
I no wan look for you, oh.
Hey, sweet.
Hey.
Ready for a hot 2 minute?
What? No, please, not now. Listen, I have a target. I'm behind as it is, okay? Let's do this. What?
You said we can't.
No,
alone.
no, we can't do this. This is my office.
Babe, I call the shots here. You don't need to be worried.
Why are you doing this? Listen, you're distracting me.
Oh, now I'm distracting you?
But can you not see that I'm working? I'm doing something.
And can you not see that I'm horny and I need you?
Really?
Yes, babe.
Please. Please.
Charity. Why will you come to my house unannounced? Huh? I'm talking to you! You think you can fight, Abi? You think you can fight, Abi? You think you can fight, Abi? Start one pack, go back at this. Start, just go now.
Go to where? Back at this to where?
Start everything. Now let's go before this guy kills you. Start, just go back at this. Huh? Yeah? My sister is...
Start fast.
I just want to know if he's okay. Like, I want to know how he's faring.
Sister, stop now. Sister, stop. Just delete this guy number from your phone. Make all of us just deal right. Forget about him now. He's of no use to you now. Eh? What did I even do to him? I don't do anything to him now. Can he be compared to everything he has done to you? I just held this guy from attacking you.
I just want to know if he's okay, that's all. Like, the way you handled him, like, you just jumped on him. He was just on that couch. You don't know if he's okay or not.
How? Is that this guy put anything for your stew? This guy give you something, chop? This guy has treated you like trash for the longest time, sister. The only one time I decided to stand up, I decided to fight for you. I didn't even do how many things. I just hold them. I hold them. See, my guy just wait me, my sister go carry my things more. That was what I did now.
So now that we are here, how are we going to survive? Is it with my salary that can barely cover up for our feeding? No, my salary is very small. It won't be enough. What are we going to do?
Sister, that one day, Sha. That one day. But I go work. Sister, I will do my best. I'm a man now. How long I will continue to behave like the woman for this family? I'm a man. I go go outside, I go hustle like my mates, I go provide for you. Forget I be your younger brother, I fit take care of you. Come on now. I'm not fit there alive, make somebody they treat you like this now. You don't feel work. Sister, see, I love you so much. Me, I go do anything to make sure say we survive. Don't worry.
I know. Thank you. Thank you for always fighting for me.
You may thank me. I just did do the basic thing when I feel do for you, my sister. We go do alright, don't worry. Forget that bleaching thing. I promise you.
It's okay. Are you even sure you're qualified for this job? Can you even cook for rich people?
Sister, I can prepare anything you can think of in this world. You don't even know me.
But you don't have the experience.
Sister, I don't need the experience. I have certificates. I have the skill. Now, what thing I need be that?
And what if the job is not for you? What if they don't select you?
If they don't select me, how we can't take concern you now? Not be my selection.
I'm just scared for you. I don't want them to disappoint you.
Sister, it's not your disappointment. Na me they go disappoint. Na me go chop the no.
What if they've given the job to someone else and that notice is that old notice, huh?
Sister, but if I don't go, we cannot know now. She now until I reach there, they won't talk. Say, okay, nobody's available. They're not okay, thank you, sir. But this one, I go first. At least let me try. See, the only thing you owe me is, God, please let my brother get this job he's going for. Anything he does, let it prosper. Finish. Pray for me. Yeah?
Pray for me.
Badora for me.
Pray I find my way. Kori ba mi she. Yeah. Don't worry, you get the job in Jesus' name. Not say amen, no.
Amen. But this was not bad now.
Iron and well when you finish.
Of course, now make a hand first. Area boy went down front to aroma boy.
See person when they go work tomorrow. Now this night they wash your clothes.
Because I you.
Your CV says here that you graduated from a culinary school.
Yes, sir, that's correct.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Can you make continental dishes?
Yes, sir, I can by the grace of God.
You don't need the grace of God to make a nice meal. Cooking skill is what you need. It's been a very long day for me at work and I'm tired. So you're going to do us a favor. I ask questions, you just get straight to the point to give me an answer, no dilly-dally.
Okay, sir, I actually mean to say yes, I can prepare very well.
Okay. If you're not dilly-dallying, then I have just a few more questions. I must be honest with you. You don't have a lot of experience here, so I'm a bit skeptical. You know, what do we do?
Sir, please, I actually have a lot of experience. I don't know why I did not include it on that CV. Sir, while we were in school, we had different projects where I personally participated. We prepared different dishes for the facilitators and VIP guests that came in. And I was so exceptional in school. Consistently, sir, please, I beg you, please. Please.
When can you start?
Sir, as soon as right now, sir, as soon as today.
No, you're not ready. You need to go. Get ready and come back because you're going to be running full-scale housekeeping here. But you have nothing to worry about. Like I told your agent, your remuneration would compensate for the work you are going to do here.
So I'm actually ready right now.
No, you're not. Well, if you are, I'm not. I'm tired. I'm not ready. It's been a long day and I need to hit the bed. But you'd have to come back here again tomorrow evening.
Just like that.
Sister.
They just gave you the job, no stress, no nothing.
Sister, I said, when I reached this man's house, the man was just like, I don't have time for scrutiny. Go today, come back tomorrow. I was like, sir, does it mean I have the job? He said, yes, you have the job. I was like, yes! And he was like, don't you come back by 7 p.m. I was so happy. Yes! Like!
Oh, congratulations, baby brother. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. If them tell me say I go get this kind of job by this time, I don't go believe.
Oh God, thank God say you no listen to me when I try to discourage you.
Just imagine say I listen to that fear when they your heart yesterday when you did discourage me.
It's caution, not fear.
Which kind caution be that? Sister Mo, leave that one. See, if you see this man house, Jesus Christ. So this man house fine die. Like, I see the moment I step into the house, the only thing I did think of now, Jason, you need to work hard. You need to work hard. You need to work hard. Like, I was so motivated. Sir, the funny thing is, this man don't even act proud. He just sit down and ask me questions. Then he was so nice, humble. Like, this man is living my dream life.
Oh.
Honestly,
Don't worry,
I
brother.
wish to be like him when I grow up.
Don't worry. Your dream will come through. Okay?
Oh, how soon now?
So like play now, you don't become chef.
You gotta add respect to my name. I'm not just a chef. I'm a chef for a big man. So big man chef.
Gege.
Don't play. Don't play.
Gege. Now to the carry food, come give me a say, you know.
Jason!
Yes, sir.
See, you're back already from the market. Huh?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. What are you doing?
So I'm just trying to arrange the things I brought back from the market.
I'm heading out to work.
Okay, sir.
The house rules remains the same.
Okay, sir.
If anyone shows up here, be sure to call me.
Definitely, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, before you leave, what would you like to have for breakfast so I can quickly prepare?
No, as you can see, I'm already on my way out.
Okay, sir.
Jason.
Sir.
How about you plan something for dinner?
Definitely.
Should I tell you what I want? You want to surprise me?
I will prepare something very nice.
You surprise me?
Yes, sir.
I'd like to see what you come up with. All right.
Thank you, boss.
So tell me, how was your first day at work?
It's not very stressful. Stressful as expected.
Yeah.
But me, I'm sure happy. Or at least now I'm practicing with what I learned at school. So it's good. It's good for me. I'm just happy. This gonna be the definition of never give up. Oh. Hey babe, how have you been? I've tried calling you many times, but you're not responding. I've also gone to the apartment and they told me you moved out. Are you avoiding me, Charity? You know you can't run away from me. Please call me soon. I love you and tell your brother I forgive him. See this guy, you tell your brother I forgive him, like... But wait, how does this guy enjoy beating you and then he will still come and tell you he loves you? How does this thing work now?
You know, Desmond always have his way with words. I gave it to him.
So that one is for him. Oh. The one that concerns me is that I don't want to ever see you with him again. Please, I beg you.
Yes.
In fact, let me even block his number, Seth. Take your phone.
I no blame you. Take your phone. Like phone what you buy for me.
I know you to buy you.
You no get money to buy me phone.
Don't worry.
Jason.
Boss.
You're still here?
Yes, sir. I decided to prepare you a different dish today. So this is the first time I'm trying it, so I decided to stay back to ensure you love it before I leave.
Slow down. It's the first time you're trying this dish.
Yes, sir.
And you made it for me. Are you using me for experiment?
Sir, you know I cannot do such a thing. It's really nice. You would love it.
This is not an experiment.
No, it's not. I've not prepared something.
Well, you have never made a bad meal since you came in here, so I'll just freshen up and I'll be downstairs.
Okay, sir.
We'll see how it goes. Okay. Jason.
My boss.
Jason the scientist.
My boss.
sorry. Why not just call in sick? I don't think you can go to work like this.
Sister, I cannot call in sick now, please. I'll manage tomorrow.
Manage what? See the way you are shaking, you are saying you manage. See, please, I beg you in the name of God, just call and tell him that you cannot come to work, that you're not feeling fine now. See now, your temperature can boil water. Eh?
Sister, please now. I cannot take this conversation. I will manage now, please. I will just have to manage. I cannot start giving excuses now.
So you're saying you're just talking. Because as for me, you're not going anywhere. Okay? You're not leaving this house. So call your Oga and talk to him. Even if he's a rich man, don't they fall sick?
Sister, don't spoil things for me now. Don't spoil things for me. I just started something. You're telling me to call in
See,
sick.
you are the only brother I have. You are the only family I have. You are not going anywhere. What if you go there now, you go and faint or something? It's not possible. You are the which one is those spoil things for you? I bet shut up, Joe. You are the only one I have. Come on, stay there. Where are you turning to? You are the only brother I have, oh.
I'm telling you something now. How will I start giving excuses that?
Please, Mom, let me prepare your body very well.
Leave me
See the
alone.
way you're shaking like water, that fish that got up.
So, to avoid future occurrences, where's the receptionist? Anyway, her job is to lock up everywhere every day before she leaves.
No, I think that's the job of the chief security officer. I think he should be called in. Yeah, I think that's the responsibility of the security team.
So you think you actually know more than me? That is exactly what I said.
Oh no, that's not what I'm saying. I just think that you mixed it up a little.
Will you shut up? Can you just stop interrupting me when I talk?
Okay.
I employed you and I employed everybody here. So you all will listen when I talk. Can you imagine? I'm talking, you're correcting me. Since when? God, it's the audacity for me. So back to what I was saying. Since the receptionist is not here, please kindly tell her what I said, okay?
Welcome, sir.
Who are you?
I'm sorry, sir.
Jason? Jason!
It's not around, sir.
Who are you?
My name is Charity, sir.
And what are you doing in my house?
I'm Jason's sister. He's not feeling fine, so I came to cover up for him until he recovers.
Did I not make it clear to that boy that I do not want to have strangers in my house? Yet he let you in here. Why?
Sir, it's not his fault. It's my fault. He warned me against it, but I told him that he's not feeling fine, that he should stay back while I come here and clean up for you. Please, sir, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God, don't sack him. It's not his fault. It's my fault. Please, sir.
fine, you can do the work and leave thereafter.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I'll finish up fast and leave. Sir, food is ready.
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, sir.
You made that, huh?
Yes, sir.
Well, that's good. I want you to know that it is okay for you to come around once in a while to clean
Thank you,
and
sir.
put things together here until your brother gets back on his feet.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Thank you. I'm leaving, sir.
That's fine.
What is this? I'm talking to you. What is this? Is this meant to scare me or what? You know I can actually have you fired.
The letter you're holding is not a joke.
Are you for real? I'm talking to you. You know you need this job.
I'm tired.
You're tired.
I need my life and dignity. More importantly, I'm tired of your insult and disrespect. I'm tired.
So what are you going to be doing now that you've quit? Hmm? Can't you talk?
I'm going to live my life in peace without you in my space. That's what I'm going to be doing.
You know you can't quit, right? You know you need this job.
You wish I do.
See, I give you 3 days to make up your mind. I'm not joking with you. I'm serious.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, is everything okay? Sir, are you okay? Are we not going to work?
I don't feel up to it for some reason.
That's because you've been stressing yourself. Should I help you to your room or something? Can I help you, sir? Sorry, sir. Sorry. Let me help you.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
What? It's not that serious.
Sorry. Sir,
Yes.
you're awake.
Yeah.
Do you need me to do anything for you?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, the food is ready. Should I dish yours out?
No, I'm not hungry for now.
I won't start leaving. I'm done for the day, sir.
That's okay. You can leave.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir.
You.
Okay, good day, sir.
You're here.
Yes, sir. Sir, I didn't know you were home. I thought you were already at work. If not, I would have come to...
I'm quite surprised to see that you have resumed work. Your sister told me something about you not feeling too well. How are you faring now?
Yes, sir. Before I was sick, now I'm very, very strong and I've resumed work. Sir, I really want to apologize for allowing my sister to come over to your house. I was really very sick and I didn't want to leave you unattended.
No. It's okay. It's not a problem at all. That's fine. Where is your sister, by the way?
Sir, my sister has resumed work. She works at one provision store as a sales girl. So she has gone back to work.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, okay. That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Where's your sister? I don't understand. What's in my sister? How my sister take concern you now?
Young man, mind the way you talk to me. You lad. Just answer me. I don't have an issue with you. Where's your sister?
You call me lad. Like I'm one small boy that you're talking to, one GSS one boy. I am not giving you any information that pertains to my sister. Leave us in trenches. She does not want your fair demon again. She does not want your fair color. Leave us alone.
You're pissing me off. This is the last time I'm asking you. Where is your sister?
She's inside my armpit. Come and collect her now. Nonsense. I go give you now. Psycho. Ooh! Ooh! Come and look for my sister now. Nonsense.
You? What are you doing here? What do you want? Are you trailing me? What are you doing here?
Babe, just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. What do you want?
Is this the life that you want to live? Is this the kind of life you want to live, babe? Why? Just because you're running away from me?
See, if you do not leave here, I will scream. And you know what will happen? This is my neighborhood. All the boys will gather here and they will beat you. You better start leaving before I start shouting that you want to rape me.
Babe, okay.
Ah!
I will not press charges.
But you better leave.
Babe, just calm down. No press charges against you.
So what do you want? What are you doing here?
Let's just go home. I just want you back. I can't stand my woman living in this kind of situation.
I am not your woman. Don't call me your woman. I'm not your woman.
Babe, please just...
Can you just go? What is your problem? I will scream. Ah! You better leave. Ah! No, now. Come back and talk to me. Nonsense. How did you even find this way? Come back now. That will not scream. Nonsense. Your woman. Who's your woman? Nonsense.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, morning.
Are you heading out?
Yes, I am going to work.
Sir, you...
I'm resuming a new job today.
Sir, that's good though.
You should be happy for me.
Of course, congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You once mentioned to me that your kid sister works somewhere as a sales person.
Sir, not my kid sister, my older sister.
Yeah, tell her to come by the house. Let me have a word with her.
All right, sir.
Okay?
All right, sir.
All right.
I can see you found a new job.
Yeah. And I can see you thought that was going to be hard now, didn't you?
Well, I'm not bothered because I know you're going to quit soon. Besides, nothing compared to the luxury and fairness you enjoy at our company.
Slow down. Have you seen my new office? Oh, you should see it. You should come by. Let me take you on a tour. Right? Take you on a short tour so you look at it. I'm not coming back. Right? You need to snap back to reality. I'm not coming back. Okay?
So what's going to happen to us?
As how, please?
Our relationship. Since you no longer work for me, what is going to happen to us?
That one. You call the shots now, right? You call the shots, don't you? Whatever you say happens, baby. Huh? You just call the shots and, call this one now. Huh? Call the shots, baby. Huh? Whatever you want. I am game. So I'm looking to start this business. I have a friend. He lives abroad and he's looking to partner with me. So he's going to be sending goods down here and I'll be his man here. Basically sales and distribution and all of that. But I still have my 9 to 5, and that's a little challenge. But I know it's something I can do if I have someone here that I can trust, to watch my back, more like a sales representative. And given the time that I have spent with you, I'm not trying to flatter you, but the truth is you're bright. And I'm just, wondering if it's a position you'd like to take up.
Yes. Yes, sir. I can do it, sir.
Really?
Yes.
I hope I'm not rushing you.
No.
Given the fact that I know you have a job, but I'm willing to pay well.
No, sir. I can do it.
Oh, thank you for being so cooperative.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That's all then. So I'll just keep you updated.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it, sir.
Thank you too.
I'm very sorry, sir. I had an emergency in my compound. thieves got into my neighbor's apartment and the landlord asked that we stayed back.
Was the room burgled?
No, sir.
So how are you involved in this?
It's a public house, sir.
And your phone?
Dead. We've not had lights for 2 weeks. I usually come here to charge my phone, sir.
How are we going to maintain smooth communication if your phone is always dead? You're going to move in here.
Sir?
You are going to move in here with your brother. 2 of you work for me anyways, and your life is practically here. Both of you are always here, right? So you move in here, that way this can work. Listen, I've been waiting for you, and I'm running late. Take this out and then meet me in the car.
Okay, sir.
Be fast about it.
Yes, sir. Welcome back, sir.
Who are you? Why are you cleaning? That's your brother's job.
When I came back, I noticed he hasn't finished, so I decided to help him out.
Not bad.
Thank you, sir.
It's like, carry on, eh?
Yes. Thank you, sir. I'll soon.
No go change. Why you dancing now? What is making you happy? Because you are cleaning. Eh? Ah, wow.
I'm talking to you. Who are you?
Good afternoon.
Madam. Good afternoon.
Who is she? Don't tell me you started bringing girls to the house.
Madam, no. Now my sister be this.
Your what? Your sister? What the hell is your sister doing here? Were you deaf when I told you no bringing of ladies in this house? Eh?
Hey.
Noah, you cannot keep them in your house. I will not allow it. I want you to go there and tell them to pick their things and leave this house this minute.
That is never going to happen. They work for me.
They work for you?
Yes.
Didn't I tell you not to employ any female housekeeper in this house? Huh? Was I not clear? Wasn't I clear enough?
Have you been paying attention at all? Has it not occurred to you that things are out of your control? Now you're no longer my boss. You don't have the authority that you used to think you had. You have nothing on me anymore. So you're not in the place to tell me who to have in my house or not.
I paid the salaries that got you this house.
You're a liar. That's what you are. A chronic one at that. I worked hard. While working for your father's company, I worked very, very hard. I earned every penny diligently. You see this? This right here is a testament of my hard work. You have nothing on me. Huh? Please, just get your bag and excuse me.
Excuse me?
Excuse me, please.
Huh. Wow. You're going to regret this. I promise you.
Who is that lady?
Sister, me, I don't know. The only thing I know about that girl is that every time she comes to this house, it's to shout. She's always shouting. Yeah, I don't understand.
Or is she his girlfriend?
Sister, if you ask me, sometimes she acts like a girlfriend. Sometimes she acts like she's his boss or something. Another time, she go dey act like sugar mommy when get control over the guy.
Oh, wow.
But sister, I still cannot believe that this guy allowed us to stay over this place.
My brother,
I cannot believe it too. Hey!
You know, from the very first day I came into this house, I knew that this guy is a very good person.
Yes, so he's actually a good guy.
Thank God, though, at least we're
I swear! You be good. Come over there.
I'm impressed.
Thank you, sir.
You did very well for the first month. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, if we're starting this way, the sky just might be a starting point. Look at what you have done here. Anyways, I knew you were going to pull this off.
Thank you, sir.
I had no doubt in my mind whatsoever. Thank you. You deserve a handshake, actually. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Would you be okay if I ask that we step out this evening and go somewhere really nice? Just to show appreciation.
Sir.
You know what? Get ready, I'm taking you somewhere special this evening. You'd like it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hey sis, what's up?
Hey bro, I'm good. How you doing?
I'm okay. How you doing today?
I'm okay. You look good.
Thank you. So how was your day?
It's okay.
This guy, remind me his name.
What guy?
The guy that you are dating that works at the company.
Noah. What's up with him?
Yeah.
And besides, he doesn't work at the office anymore.
You fired him already?
He resigned.
Why? Did you guys break up?
No, I'm just giving his ass a break. What's up with him?
No. Nothing serious. I saw him today, so I was wondering if he stayed in the same house.
Yes.
Okay.
Desmond, what is it?
Nothing sis. Just chill. It's nothing.
Okay.
Why are you blowing up my phone, Carissa?
I'm here to tell you to take your job the final time, and I'm not going to tell you again.
I'm not jobless. If you're here for something else, you may say so. I'm not jobless.
Well, I know you're not happy, and I know you need your job back, but your pride won't allow you ask. And you need me as well. I can see it.
You see, that's your pride speaking. That's just who you are. You're never going to change. You're never going to learn how to accommodate the truth.
See me at my place after work.
I'm not coming to your place. Never going to happen. And just so you know, Carissa, you are not done.
We are not done.
Oh, we're done.
Until I say we're done. I call the shots, remember?
No, you don't. I was long done with you if I was done with the job. Just so you know again, I have moved on with my life.
You've moved on?
Oh, yes.
With who? The girl in your house?
Well, you may be right about that.
Noah, you're going to regret this. I will not let you leave. It's not possible. After everything I've done for you, I picked you up from the gutters, I brushed you, and now you want to enjoy life with a low-life bitch? No way. It's not possible. I'm going to deal with you and that girl, especially that low-life.
You have to stop coming here.
I don't understand.
Stop coming here. Stop making a fool of yourself. Stop coming to my house. Get out.
Noah, come back here. What kind of man is this?
I gave you all of me, every hope,
Really?
Yes.
So all his life he's always been that way?
Yes. All his life, he has always been exciting.
Interesting.
And now that he's doing something he loves to do, cooking, is way, way happy now. All thanks to you. You gave him the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
That's right.
Yes.
Have you noticed how I look at you?
What do you mean?
I like you. Been waiting for the perfect time to say this to you. Was going to say that tonight, but then your toxic boyfriend showed up and, But here we are.
Thank you, sir.
The room is right. The feeling is good. So why not?
Thank you.
You've got to learn to stop calling me sir.
Sorry to be hard though. You know you are my employer, so there's no way I'll stop calling you.
But I'm about to become your lover now. Can you just look at me one time, please? Would you like to be my lover too? Come on. You can try. You'll love it.
Why are you whistling out there?
Close the door first, close the jam. He wants to date me.
Who?
Your boss now, our boss.
How now?
I don't know. He just told me and he's very serious about it. Why are you laughing?
Stop, I'm not surprised. Do you know why? Ask me why.
Why?
You're fine. Is that he or she? Which man will see you when not go on jumping? If not that I am your brother, even me, I for food to ask you out.
You know, get sense, I swear. Come on for him.
Now, why do you think they always pain me? Anytime when that guy go come our house, start to treat you like trash. Huh?
So that's all you have to say?
Is that what else you want me to say now? This guy is fine. He's tall. He's handsome. He smells nice. Then he lives in a beautiful house. Sister, this is what you will do. You will grab him. Sister, you will hold him tight too. This is express tickets to living trenches. Express ticket to living trenches. Go wipe you. Don't leave you. Go leave me.
Yeah, go cook onions. Go slice pepper, monkey. Don't get sense. I never say yes, don't they dance?
You don't say yes, so?
How?
For where? You know go talk yes.
I know we'll talk yes, too.
Not be me and y'all say yes and you'll be out. Shh. But I don't even need to do anything.
I said make you cook onions.
Hey. Good national chef.
How would you look at me after this thing you don't tell me?
Sister, you look at his face anyhow now. My boyfriend, how are you? Then me, I'll come as the in-law. My in-law. At your back.
Come on for the job. Oh yeah, go cook onions, go fry beans, go
How
do
many onions do
anything.
you want? Oh, sister, I'm happy for you. At least we don't come for poverty. I'm excited.
You are your
Just see how beautiful you look, huh? See how sweet and simple you look. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Such a fine woman you are. You're beautiful, you know that, right? I just want you to walk with your shoulders high. Let them know that I say you are beautiful.
Okay.
Are you blushing? Stride on, come on, let me look at you. Huh? See that one?
Yes, I'm coming. What do you want? Desmond, what do you want? What do you want? What are you doing here?
So this is it, right? This is why you leave me, right, Charity? This is it?
Please, you need to leave. You need to leave because I don't want the owner of this place to meet you here.
I'm not going anywhere. You know what? Go upstairs. Pack your things. We are leaving this place right now.
Hey, she's going nowhere with you. So better leave here now that you still come with your 2 legs.
Young man, watch your mouth. It won't be like last time.
You remember what I did to you last time, eh?
You still have mouth, right?
Desmond, just go, please. Just go.
The owner of this house worked for me.
Not anymore. That was in the past. Why are you here? I'm asking you, why are you here? Desmond.
Where's that girl? Go in there, pack your things and leave this house this minute. Are you deaf? Desmond, what are you doing here?
Your boyfriend has something that belongs to me.
Ex-boyfriend. I have nothing going on with her. Okay? And that brings me to my question again. What do you want with me? I'm done with your family's company. Why are you here?
If this low life is so important to you, tell her to go upstairs, pack her things, and leave this house this minute. I am not joking with you.
Look, this is my house. I make the orders here. The next time you sashay into my house to issue orders, not only will I embarrass you, I am going to throw you out like a pig.
It's like you're forgetting that I made you who you are today. I literally picked you up from the gutters, brushed you, and made you who you are today. And you have the effrontery to open this mouth and talk to me anyhow. Huh? Oh, you think you want to dump me now? After everything that I've done for you? You're a grateful idiot!
You are an ungrateful fool. What did you do for me? I worked tirelessly to raise the standard of your family's company. Myself, my marketing team, we worked day and night to do the work that you and your spoiled brother could not do. Look at you. Both of you really should be ashamed of yourself. Your father left a very viable company to the both of you, but no! Both of you could not even stand on your feet and run it because you have been spoiled rotten by excess cash at your disposal. And that's why you're running after me to see if you can woo me to come back. No, it's not happening. I am done with the both of you and I'm done with your family's business. Leave me alone. This is my house. You try that one more time, I'm going to slap your head off your neck.
You want to hit me?
I will hit you the next time you lose a tooth. Trust me, you want to try?
For this low-life bitch? Are you for real?
I will slap your head off your neck. Move.
Try it!
Move. Try me now.
Ha! Desmond, you're saying this?
Charity, let's go.
One more step.
My God.
One more step and you're going to be bleeding right now.
Listen, I'm going to give you a chance to walk out of this place freely. But next time you touch me again, I swear down, you spend the rest of your life in jail. And yes, I have proof of physical and sexual assault from you. Now get out.
I promise you regret this. I was all you ever needed.
Regret? Nah. Who regrets anything from a toxic man? Who? Now get out!
Desmond, let's go.
Family of losers. Arrogance runs in their veins. See them.
It's okay. I'm very proud of you. I want you to know that. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you for fighting for us. Thank you for giving your house to us.
This is your home now. Both of you.
Before you came, I did from Sherman. High strong like say I be Iron Man. Every fine girl we pass my lane. Go say one prayer cause I know they change. Till you enter my life one day. Scatter my plans, rearrange my ways. This no be the plan, oh. Will you change the man I used to be? Oh, girl, you don't change my life. I'm not the same person anymore. You don't enter my heart. Make me to do things I never do before.